Hello guys, welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif. In this particular session, we will discuss the PYQs of 3D geometry, that is KCET and COMEDK on 3D geometry part 2. Part 1, guess we have done some 23 questions, okay, and then in part 2 we will cover questions for 21, 22 and other COMEDK questions. Before I start guys, please do enable the bell icon, subscribe the channel so that you get the notification of all the classes, and if you've already subscribed, please do share this video at the end of the session and go through the description box below the link. Alright, once I finish the session, let us start guys. Part 2 of 3D geometry. Question number 23. I'm supposed to find sine of the angle between the line and the plane. So this is of the form x minus x1 by a1 y minus y1 by b1 is equal to z minus z1 by c1, and this is of the form a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, right? Or you write d, no problem. So this means that a1 is equal to 3, a2 is equal to minus 4, a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to minus 4, c1 is equal to 5, a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 2, and c2 is equal to 1. Okay, angle between line and the plane, the sine theta is equal to modulus of sine is equal to modulus of a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2, a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2 plus c1 into c2. Okay, and then root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into this is root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square, a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Now if I substitute here, you will get sine theta is equal to modulus of sine is equal to modulus of a1 into a2 is 6, b1 into b2 is plus 8, c1 into c2 is plus 5. Line is not in standard form, right? This line should be written as x minus 2 divided by 3, take minus common, y minus 3 divided by minus 4, and z minus 4 divided by 5. You take cancel this minus. So this now if I compare, b1 is equal to plus 4. Okay, now you multiply, you get minus 8. This is minus 8. Root of 9 plus 16 plus 25. Okay, and then root of 4 plus 1. Right, in the numerator you get 3 divided by root of 50. Root 50, root 9 is 3. 3 and 3 cancels, you get 1 divided by root 50. Root 50 is 5 root 2. You still don't find option, multiply and divide by root 2. So this is root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 into 5 is 10. Answer is option B. You get root 2 by 10. Right, let's move to the next question. Right, let's move to the next question. Question number 24. Find the distance of a point from the plane. Okay, so this will be the distance of the point. Point is what? 1 comma 2 comma 3 from the plane. Plane equation is 3y plus 4z plus 4 is equal to 0. This is of the form ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. This is n. Now distance of a point from the plane is pn is equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1, ax1 plus by1 plus cz1, okay, plus d divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Now pn is equal to modulus of, now if I substitute, you will get this as 1 into 0 is 0, 3, a into x1, so a is equal to 0, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to 4. A into x1 is 0, b into y1 is 6, c into z1 is 12. No, ax1 plus by1, if I substitute, a0, b is 3, c is 4. Right, now if I substitute here ax1, a0, right, this will be 0, ax1 plus by1, so this is x1, y1 and z1. ax1 plus by1 is equal to 6 plus cz1. Okay, if I substitute 4 into 3 is 12 plus 4, keep the scalar as it is, plus d is equal to 4 by root of a square plus b square plus c square, that is 0 plus 9 plus 16. This is 16, 22, right? 22 divided by 5. 22 by 5 can also be written 44 by 10, right? 44 by 10 is 4.4. Okay, answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. Question number 25. Determine the plane passing through the intersection of two planes and perpendicular to one more plane. Alright, this is COMEDK question. Equation of a plane passing through intersection of two planes is x plus 2y plus 3z minus 4. Should be first plane plus lambda times the second plane is 2x plus y minus z plus 5 is equal to 0. This will be the first plane plus lambda times second plane equal to 0. I can write this as x plus 2y plus 3z minus 4. If you multiply lambda, you get 2 lambda x plus lambda y minus lambda z. Minus lambda z plus 5 lambda is equal to 0. Right? If I take x common, you will get 1 plus 2 lambda into x. If you take y common, you get 2 plus lambda into y. If you take z common, you get this as 3 minus lambda into z. Multiply, this is 5 lambda minus 4 is equal to 0. You call this as equation 1. You call this as equation 2. Now, according to the question, plane 2 is perpendicular to the plane. Plane 2 is perpendicular to the plane 5x plus 3y plus 6z plus 8 is equal to 0. Now, if I multiply the drs, you will get 5 into 1 plus 2 lambda plus 3 into 2 plus lambda plus 6 into 3 minus lambda is equal to 0. If you multiply the drs, you get this as 5 plus 10 lambda plus 6 plus 3 lambda plus 18 minus 6 lambda is equal to 0. Okay, now this becomes 6 plus 3 minus 3, right? So it will be equal to 7, right? This is 7 lambda plus 29 is equal to 0. Lambda is equal to minus 29 divided by 7. Yeah, that's right. Take the value of lambda and substitute in plane 1. Now this plane 1 becomes x plus 2y plus 3z minus 4. Right, and lambda will be equal to minus 29 by 7 into you have 2x plus y minus z plus 5 is equal to 0. Now if you multiply by 7, you will get this 7x plus 14y plus 7 3 is 21z minus 7 4 is 28. You open the bracket, you get 58x minus 29y plus 29z minus 145 is equal to 0. Okay, and the last one, so required plane will be equal to minus 51x minus 15y, 21 minus 29. This is 21z plus 29z will be equal to 50z minus 145, 28, 173 is equal to 0. If you change the sign, equation of the required plane will be equal to minus, if you change the sign, equation of the plane will be equal to 51x plus 15y minus 50z plus 173 equal to 0. Right, 51x plus 15y minus 50z plus 173 equal to 0. Answer will be option B only. Right, this was COMEDK question, guys. Let's move to the next question. If the line and the plane, if two lines are coplanar, so this is of the form x minus x1 by a1 is equal to y minus y1 by b1 is equal to z minus z1 by c1. This is of the form x minus x2 by a2 is equal to y minus y2 by b2 is equal to z minus z2 by c2. Right, if I compare, x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3, z1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to 1, y2 is equal to 4, z2 is equal to 5. Now a coplanar means the shortest distance should be 0, right? Determinant equal to 0, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. DRs of the first line is a1 b1 c1, DRs of the second line is a2 b2 c2. Right, now if I substitute, you will get determinant equal to 0. Right, just a sec, guys. Yeah, x2 minus x1. If I substitute in the determinant, you get x2 minus x1, which is minus 1, y2 minus y1 is 1, z2 minus z1 is 1. DRs to first line is 1 1 minus k, DRs to second line is k2 1. Minus 1 into delete first row first column 1 plus 2k. Minus 1 delete first row second column, you will get 1 plus k square. Delete first row last column, you get 2 minus k equal to 0. You get minus 1 minus 2k, minus 1 minus k square plus 2 minus k is equal to 0. Minus 1 will cancel with plus 2. Minus k square minus 3k is equal to 0. Take minus k common, you get k plus 3 is equal to 0. You get k is equal to 0. K is equal to 0 and k is equal to minus 3. K equal to minus 3, there's no option. K is equal to minus 3 is also possible. K is 0, k is equal to minus 3. He's asking how many, then the values of k are how many? Exactly 2 values of k. Answer is option D. Right, question number 27. I should find a distance between the two parallel planes. This is of the form, here you divide by 2, so that dr will be proportional. Dr should be same, divide by 2. 2xy plus y plus 2z plus 5 by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, this is of the form, a1x plus b1y plus c1z is plus d1 is equal to 0. Okay, and this is of the form a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0. Distance between two parallel planes will be equal to d2 minus d1 by root of a square plus b square plus c square. So distance will be equal to d2 minus d1, right? That is 5 by 2 plus 8 you shift on the left side. So this plane is 2x plus 2y, 2x plus y plus 2z minus 8 is equal to 0. d2 minus d1 is 5 by 2, minus and minus is plus 8. By root of a square b square c square, that is 4 plus 1 plus 4. Cross multiply 16 plus 5 will be 21 by 2, root 9 is 3. So you get 21 divided by 3 into 2, which is equal to 7 by 2. So distance will be equal to 7 by 2. Answer is option B. Right, question number 28. The volume of a parallelepiped whose adjacent sides are given by the vectors. Volume of a parallelepiped is A dot B cross C, right? That is box of ABC. Okay, so that's always equal to determinant. First row will be components of A, that is 1, 2 and 0. Second row will be components of B, that is 0, 1, 2. Components of C will be equal to 2. There's no J, 0, minus 1. Let's expand this. First row, first column, 0, minus 2. Sorry, minus 1, minus 1, minus 0. Delete first row, second column, you get 0, minus 4. Plus 0 multiplied by a non-zero number will be 0 multiplied by a finite quantity will be 0. Plus 8. You will get this as 7 cubic units. Answer is option B. Right, let's move to the next question. Question number 29. I'm supposed to find the area of a triangle whose 3 vertices are given. Right, area is equal to half of modulus of AB cross AC, right? Half of modulus of AB cross AC. Now, if I find out, suppose AB vector is equal to OB minus OA, right? Position vector of B minus position vector of A. If I subtract OB minus A, 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus of minus is plus 2. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. This is AB. AC is equal to OC minus OA. Okay, if I subtract OC minus OA, 3 minus 1 is 2. And then minus 1 minus of minus is plus. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now AB cross AC. AB cross AC is equal to determinant. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then you get 2 minus 3. AC, OC minus OA, you get 2, 0. This is also 0. Correct. Components of IJK. Components of AB is 1, 2, minus 3. Components of AC will be 2, 0, 0. You get I into delete first row, first column, you get 0. First row, second column, you get 6. Delete first row, last column, you get 0, minus 4. So it will be equal to minus 6J minus 4K. I take minus 2 common. This will be equal to 3J plus 2K. Right, now if I take the modulus of this, half of modulus of minus 2 is plus 2. Root of 3 square plus 2 square. 9 plus 4, that's equal to root of 13. Root of 13 square units. Answers option C. Is that clear? Alright, let's move to the next question, guys. Now the equation of a line joining the points minus 3, 4, 11 and then 1, minus 2, 7. This was asked in 2011 paper. Sorry, 2021 paper. This was asked in 2021 paper. I will take this as x1, y1, z1. This is x1, y1 and z1. And this fellow is x2, y2 and z2. Okay. Equation of a line passing through 2 points. If I use the 2-point form, x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. This is 2-point form. So x minus x1 is minus 3. Minus of minus is plus. X2 minus x1 is 1. Minus of minus is plus. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, that is minus 2 minus 4. Again z minus z1 by z2 minus z1 is 7 minus 11. So this is x plus 3 divided by 4. Y minus 4 divided by minus 6. Z minus 11 divided by minus 4. Okay, now if you multiply by minus 2, if I multiply by minus 2, this becomes x plus 3 divided by minus 2 is equal to y minus 4 divided by 3, z minus 11 divided by 2. Answer is option B. Is it okay, guys? See, it's a ratio. Whenever you have line 2:10 ratio can be written as 1:5. Don't worry about that multiplying and all. I can change. If I have 3 3:2, I can write this as 1:2 by 3. Or this can be written as 3/2:1 as well. right? So multiply by minus 2, answer should be B only. Again, this was asked in 2021 paper only. There were 4 questions which is on 3D asked in 2021 paper. 2022, 3 problems were there. Angle between the lines whose direction cosines are. So direction cosines, this will be L1, L2, L3. L1, M1, N1. This is L1, M1, N1. This is L2, M2 and N2. These are the direction cosines. Okay, now cos theta is equal to angle in terms of direction cosines will be equal to modulus of L1 into L2 plus M1 into M2 plus N1 into N2. This is angle between the two lines whose direction cosines are given. So this will be equal to modulus of root 3 by 4 into root 3 by 4 is 3 by 16. M1 into M2 is 1 by 4, 1 by 4 is 1 by 16. N1 into N2, let me write if you want. I will write this as L1 into L2, right? That is root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4 into root 3 by 4. Plus this is 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. And then plus root 3 by 2 into minus root 3 by 2. Okay, now cos theta is equal to modulus of 3 by 16 plus 1 by 16 minus 3 by 4. Okay, LCM is 16. You will get this as 3 plus 1. 16 means 4 into 3 is 12. So you will get this as modulus of minus 8 by 16, which is equal to 1 upon 2. Right? So cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Mod of minus is plus. So don't consider that minus. Cos theta is equal to half. Okay, cos theta is equal to cos of pi by 3. Cos of pi by 3, theta will be equal to pi by 3. Right, and the answer is option C. This was asked in 2021 paper. Right, and this is the formula for angle between two lines whose direction cosines are given. If direction ratios are given, in case if direction ratios are given, this you have done in boards. Angle between two lines is cos theta is equal to modulus of A1 into A2 plus B1 into B2 plus C1 into C2 by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. So there's 2020 in 2022 there's a problem based on the formula. Right, even this was asked in KCET 2021 paper. If the plane meets the coordinate axes at ABC, okay, let's say this is the plane which is meeting the coordinate axes at ABC. So that is, this is A, this is B, this is C. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and z-axis. Okay, in such a way that the centroid of a triangle ABC is at the point 1, 2, 3. Let's say this is A, this will be B, this will be C. So this point is A, 0, 0. This point is 0, B, 0. This point is 0, 0, C. Alright, now according to the question, centroid of a triangle is given as 1, 2, 3. Right, what is the equation of the plane? See, equation of a plane, x by A plus y by B plus z by C is equal to 1. That is, x-intercept is A, y-intercept is B, z-intercept is C. Now if I substitute centroid of a triangle is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, right? Comma, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, comma, z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3 is equal to centroid is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3. Now if I add x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, so this is a plus 0 by 3, comma, 0 plus b plus 0 by 3, comma, 0 plus c divided by 3 is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now if I equate a by 3, b by 3 and c by 3 is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now if I equate, you get A is equal to 3, B is equal to 2, 2 into 3 is 6, sorry, C is equal to 3 into 3 is 9. If I equate, I'll get ABC. Right, now the equation of a plane, if I substitute in equation 1, plane 1, you get x by 3 plus y by 6 plus z by 9 is equal to 1. X by 3, y by 6, z by 9 equal to 1. Answer is option B only. Right, question number 33, 34, 35, 36. Even this was asked in 2021 paper only, if I'm not wrong. Area of a triangle whose vertices are given. See, this is a triangle, right? Either 99% 21. In case if I'm wrong, it should be in 2022 only. No trick, Anu. There's no trick. You have to do the problem. This was asked in 2021 paper only. Right. This is asked in 20. This is also 2021 area of a quadrilateral. Okay. Let's say this is A. This is B. This is C. This is D. Right. Area of a quadrilateral is half of modulus of AC cross AD. Take the diagonals. Half of modulus of AC cross AD. Okay, now AC is equal to, okay, AC is equal to position vector of C minus position vector of A. OC minus OA will be equal to 4 minus 0 is 4, 5 minus 4 is 1, and then 0 minus 1 will be equal to minus 1. This is AC. AC cross, I'm sorry, half of model. How can I do this, man? AC cross BD. Okay, half of modulus of AC cross BD. I'm almost done. Second year, 12th standard, I'm almost done. Anu. First 11th, I have to do some PYQs. I have done 11th few chapters I have done, but major area I'm touching. 11th also I'll do. Okay, BD is equal to OD minus OB. OD minus OB will be equal to 2 minus 2 is 0. 6 minus 3 will be equal to 3. 2 minus of minus is plus 3. So these are the vertices of AC and AD. Okay, now if I find out AC cross AD now. AC cross BD. This is always a determinant. Components of IJK. Components of AC will be equal to 4, 1 and minus 1. Components of BT is 0, 3 and 0, 3 and 3. This is I into, I into delete first row, first column. 3 plus 3 is 6. First row, second column 12. Delete first row, last column, you get 12. Take 6 common. You will get I minus 2j plus 2k. Okay, so this is equal to half of modulus of 6 is 6 root of 1 plus 4 plus 4, which is 3 into root 9. Okay, 3 into 3, which is equal to 9 square units. Answer is option A. No, answer is option A. It's half of modulus of AC cross BD. Right. Now this was asked in 2022 paper. Angle between the pair of lines. This fellow is of the form x minus x1 by a1 is equal to y minus y1 by b1 is equal to z minus z1 by c1. And this is of the form x minus x2 by a2 is equal to y minus y2 by b2 z minus z2 by c2. Okay, this was asked in KCET 2022. Okay, now if I take the DRs, A1 is equal to 3, B1 is equal to 5, and C1 is equal to 4. A2 is equal to 1, B2 is equal to 2, sorry, 1 only, C2 is equal to 2. Now cos theta is equal to angle between two lines whose direction ratios are given, A1 into A2 plus B1 into B2 plus C1 into C2. Root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Right, now cos theta is equal to modulus of A1 into A2 is 3, B1 into B2 is 5, C1 into C2 is 8, where root of 9 plus 25 plus 16. Okay, and then root of 1 plus 1 plus 4. Root of 1 plus 1 plus 4. This is equal to 16. Root of 50 is 5 root 2. Root of root 6 is root 3 into root 2. Okay, root 6 is root 3 into root 2. Root 3 into root 2. So this is 16 divided by 5 into root 2 into root 2 is 2 into root 3. This fellow will cancel 8 times. You get 8 root 3. 8 into, you get 8 divided by 5 root 3. You still don't find option like this. Multiply and divide by root 3. Okay, multiply and divide by root 3. Now I'll get cos theta is equal to 8 root 3 divided by 15. Theta is equal to cos inverse of 8 root 3 upon 15. That's the first option only. Yes, Sakshi, right. Answer option A. This was asked in 2022 paper. Right, even this is KCET 2022. Okay, distance of a point from the plane. You can convert to Cartesian if you want, convert to Cartesian and do, or distance of a point from the plane r dot n equal to d will be equal to this Pn. Let's say this is Pn, distance of a point from the plane is equal to modulus of, if you take in place of r, you substitute a, you get this as a dot n minus d divided by mod n. Okay, CBSE students planes was deleted, but do study, it is there for entrance. KCET it is there. So this is the vector, distance of the point 2i plus j minus k from the plane is r dot with I minus 2j plus 4k is equal to 4. Okay, this is equal to 4. Now distance is equal to modulus of a dot n. A dot n is 2i plus j minus k. So this is a dot n. N will be equal to I minus 2j plus 4k minus n minus 4 divided by mod n. Modulus of n is equal to modulus of I minus j, I minus 2j plus 4k. Now if I take the dot product here, you will get this as 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 4. Okay, whole divided by root of 1 plus 4 plus 16. This will cancel, mod of minus is plus. You will get 8 divided by root of 21. Answer is option D. Alright, distance cannot be negative. That's why this is not possible. Mod will come 8 by root of 21. Right, there's one more question. We are done with this all PYQs. This was asked in KCET 2022 only. Okay, distance, the coordinates, the foot to the perpendicular drawn from the origin, drawn from 0, 0, 0 to the plane 2x minus 3y plus 4z minus 29 equal to 0. This is x1, y1 and z1. This is foot of the perpendicular n. Let's say this is x, y, z. This is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Right, now a is equal to 2. Okay, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 4. Foot of the perpendicular formula, x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by a square plus b square plus c square. This is x minus 0 divided by 2, y minus 0 divided by minus 3, z minus 0 divided by c is equal to 4 is equal to minus of x1 is 0, y1 is 0, z1 is 0, d is minus 29. Root a square b square c, no root, sorry, a square plus b square plus c square. So x by 2, y by minus 3, z by 4, right side you will get 1. If you cross multiply, you get x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3, z is equal to 4. So foot of the perpendicular will be equal to x comma y comma z, 2 minus 3 and 4. Answer is option B. Right, so I'm done with all the questions from 2014 to 2022, guys. That is KCET and COMEDK as well. Right, and there are very less questions in PYQs of 3D geometry, because up to 13 syllabus got changed in 13. 14 was the first batch who wrote on the new syllabus, that is based on NCERT syllabus. That's why you will find very few questions on 3D geometry. But in 2021 there were 4 questions, 2022 there were 3 questions. Alright, so I'll please do watch, like and share this video, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please do enable the bell icon and subscribe the channel. And if you've already subscribed, please do share this video and go through the description. I will meet you in my next video. Matrices, some more questions were left out. Maybe probability we will do of 12th standard, and then we are done with relations and functions I have to do of 12th syllabus. Then we're done with all the 12th syllabus, and then I will do 11 syllabus MCQs, PYQs. Thank you, guys. Thanks for joining.